Everyone, welcome to the Ninoy Aquino Stadium and welcome to our post-game press conference. Our first match, the UP Fighting Maroons defeated the Adamson Soaring Falcons in 4 sets. First off, let's hear from Coach D. Pisana. Coach, congratulations. Big win, not just for the team but I guess for the program as well. Mahaba-haba yung losing skid. Historic din in the sense that dito tayo naglalaro and also kayong nagpa-eliminate sa Adamson from the Final Four. Just your thoughts on this big win.
Well, first of all, thank you very much for everything that happened to us today. We were not really, I would say, expecting that it would be that tight. We were expecting a better performance, but nevertheless, it was very good for us. It will be it's our first win actually. And I think the introduction of new system and culture of the team is the one that brought us to where we are now.
Thank you for that, Coach. Our player of the game, Clarence Santiago, 26 excellent sets alongside 7 points built on 3 attacks, 1 block, and 3 service aces. So, napagkwentuhan din naman natin kanina. Can you just share na yung tatlong naipanalong set lahat dikit? So, how were you guys able to just pull through?
Yung sa mga sets po na dikit, talaga pong kada makakapatay yung kalaban, sinasyaga po namin yung bawat puntos, receive, set, and spike. Wala po kaming dapat katakot kasi sure naman po na pag may humataw sa amin, magko-cover kami kasi yun yung training namin. So, kaya wala natatakot pumalo and mag-adjust.
Thank you for that. Our leading scorer for UP, JD Malabanan with 16 points, went on 13 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 service ace, alongside 7 excellent picks and 18 excellent receptions. So, JB, just your thoughts lang din on the victory.
Sobrang saya po kasi para sa amin, lahat po ng oras namin, kinocommit namin sa training po, tapos na yun po. Masaya po na makita yung mga fruits po ng paghihirap.
Thank you for that. And lastly, with 11 points built on 4 attacks, 3 blocks, and 4 service aces. You have team captain Dan Nicolas. Your thoughts on the win?
Ayun po, sobrang saya po kasi matagal po namin ito sobrang ilang po ng first win namin. Pero ito na po, thank you Lord po talaga na binigay sa amin ito na nag-work it lahat ng paghirap namin pagtitaga sa training na makuha yung isang panalo na to. Na tingin ko magbibigay ng motivation sa team para saan po magtyaga at makakuha pa ng panalo sa mga susunod na team.
Dan, para sa'yo as a captain, paano mo na lang siguro napakalma yung team? Especially sa mga tight moments talaga, kahit ng 4th set na lumamang pa yung Adamson sa inyo nung game.
So, ayun, lagi ko sinasabi ko sa kanila na wala na dapat na ikatakot kasi ito na yun parang ito na yung sign na binibigay sa atin. Kaya grab na natin yung opportunity na to na makuha yung every set, itong lalo yung mga ganitong tight na set na sobrang hirap kumuha ng puntos kasi sobrang laking factor sa amin yung na makuha yung set kasi nagbibigay motivation sa amin.
Clarence, para sa'yo na lang, ano na lang yung naging mindset mo kasi very parang spread out yung naging scoring ng mga spikers mo. Siguro ano na lang yung nag-affect ng decision making mo nasa loob ka?
Yung decision making naman po, nandun po pumapasok yung tiwala po sa lahat na kaya naman pong pumatay basta po proper yung execution ng sets. So, kita naman po na lahat kayang mag-score and nasimulan din po talaga namin sa magandang pasa and service kaya nakuha po namin.
Para sa players, siguro paano nyo lang ito gagawin itong big win na to ride sa last 2 games yung para at least makasecure pa na isang panalo or baka masweep nyo po.
Malaking factor po yung panalo namin today. So, kailangan namin ma-maintain or dagdagan pa yung mga lapses namin sa game kanina. So, mas magagawa pa namin mas tama sa mga susunod na game. Especially if po yung next namin kalaban na medyo mas mabigat po na kalaban. So, talagang paghandaan po na next Saturday.
For coach and players, ito initial reaction niya lang sa Adamson kasi, di ba, nagbago sila ng hairstyle. So, sabi nila kapag mga ganon, new beginning, hindi ba kayo parang somehow na nasindak sa ganung look nila kasi, di ba? Ano lang reaction nyo dun? Kahit sino po, kahit sino.
Yung sa reaction lang po, nagulat lang kami na kalbo na sila. And nalaman naman namin yung reason kasi tinanong namin sa kanila. And sa laro naman po is, nagkatapat naman po kami sa pre-season and nung last round din. So kaya dapat wala talaga kami katakot kasi do or die na every game namin. Kailangan namin kumuha ng panalo. Lalo na tatlo na yung games namin.
Okay.
Alright, so Coach, last question, just your initial thoughts lang din on your next game and siguro how is the team going to hopefully finish the season strong?
Well, actually, we're trying to see what we do next time. Panikimayin ko lang. What we're doing now, okay, is all part of the system that we're gonna try to do, okay, up to the next 2 years. So if the system now will work right now with the new rules and everything that's being implemented, then if we could take a wheel and do the same as this one, the next, then it will be good for us.
Alright, so if there are no more questions, Coach, there's thank you and congratulations on all your